Good afternoon, everybody. As you can tell from the title, what I'm really enjoying. And yes, so the first you guys know already is this beautiful Loewe top, like really beautiful. I so much love this top, and ever since I got this top, like I'm literally wearing this top almost twice. I got this sweatpants from H&M, you know, so very high waist, you know, from H&M, really beautiful. And yes, so warm. I think it has almost 30, I'm gonna check, percent cashmere, if not 100% cashmere. I'm gonna check. This Loewe tank top, stunning. Like I'm so happy. So, you know, and then I got this beautiful magella trench, which I also enjoy almost every time. Like really beautiful. You know, I just put the Massimo Dutti skirt because I was planning to wear this week with a Massimo Dutti skirt. And yeah, so really beautiful, very flirty. Let me wear it. Is it like really beautiful? You can tell, and you can really wear this with literally everything, like everything, you know, with skirt, with the leggings. And yes, so just much so moving to the next is my lovely blazer jacket. Like, oh my goodness, from Blase Milano. Like really beautiful, absolutely stunning. Like if you follow my Instagram reels and also my YouTube shorts, then you will see I did a short video on this blazer. Like really beautiful. What I love about this blazer, like this blazer is classy. Like when you wear it, you're really ready to go and you are well dressed. That's so important for me. Amazing. Oh my goodness, really beautiful. You know, just love her, just love her. I love her, I love her, love her. Like amazing, you know, just so in love. So let's move to the next. Yeah, this beautiful should I call this body top? Yeah, so I was able to get this beautiful top. It has a zip here. It has a zip here with a Mugler star, you know, the star, and really beautiful. So when I got so, and also with this hand here, amazing. So the next thing again, I got pouch. Beautiful, like oh my goodness, you know, so love the sunglass. Like amazing, beautiful. What I love about the sunglass, it is just like it sits very well, and also because it's kind of slim here, very thin here, so it's easy to go down. And because I have a piercing here, so nothing is actually disturbing. It's very easy for me. So the bigger ones here kind of disturb my piercing here. And yes, so I got another sunglass again. So I got this Celine. So I got this beautiful Celine sunglass, and really beautiful as well. Beautiful Celine. And yes, let's get up. Let me keep this. Why I took this Celine is because this is pink, like really beautiful. And yeah, so it has this trophy, you know, sign, the Celine sign, like really beautiful. So I just took this because of the color, which I knew that maybe this is going to be disturbing my piercing, but I think I will be more careful when I'm wearing it. And yeah, so really beautiful. So what do you guys think? I think this is really beautiful. let's move to the next Dior, and this is a belt, you know, to wear with dress, like really beautiful. Really beautiful. And the color, this gold color, leather, you know, this leather gold color, like really beautiful. And this CD logo on it, like, you know, stunning.
I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase. Now there is nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. 'Cause gotta know when I let go. Gotta know when I let go. Gotta know when I let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow.
Oh my god, yes. To the next is from Hermes. Oh my goodness, yes. So this is the first thing I got from the new store, from the Hermes new store, and really beautiful. Like, this has been on my wish list for almost a year, if not more. So I took this beautiful, oh my goodness, yes, it was a long dress, like really beautiful, elegant, sophisticated in your own way. And yeah, so really beautiful. Just love her.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when I let go. Gotta know when I let go. Gotta know when I let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful.
Oh, so lovely. It's like I'm so tired, like the whole place is so scattered. And yeah, so we've come to the end of the video. Hope you love this video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get posted whenever I upload a new video. And also follow me on Instagram, Mabel in Hamburg. See you all on my next video. Love you to the moon and back. Bye.